Hello folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. We've got a '09 Honda Odyssey, and customers complain is the slide door light is on. As you can see it right there. And basically what's happening, the lift door, this switch is on, the lift door is working. Okay. The right door is now working. I just pressed it. It's not doing anything. So what we need to do, we need to pull out number 7 fuse and see if that fixes the problem by the fuse box there. But before we pull it out, by the way, the car is running, but before we pull it out, I just want to warn you that when you pull that fuse out, the radio may ask you for a radio code, so your radio is going to be in theft mode, and you probably won't be able to play any radio channels till you enter that radio code. And normally those radio codes are in the service manual package. So let's just make sure that we got that code in here. I mean, even if we don't have the code, we're still gonna process the troubleshooting here steps. There are some manuals and stuff, but let's see. I don't see any information in here, so normally it's on a card. Actually, wait. We don't know what this is, but this might be it. RC number, I believe this is it. So so this we may need, but for now, let's go ahead and put the car on the on position, and let's reach out to the bottom of this fuse panel, and just in case you don't have any fuse puller, you can get one from the same vehicle. If you open your hood and you open this fuse box cover, there's a fuse puller. You can use this one for now. So these are our fuses, and the one we need to pull is the one that's, let's see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one from the bottom right. So looking at this, it's gonna be the 5th one from the bottom right. Start counting from the right. Or if you want to do the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th one from the left is the one that we need to pull out, and it is, let's see, it's 7.5 amp. So let's go ahead and pull that one out. Right there. And what you need to do is you need to keep this fuse out for at least 10 seconds. So at least 10 seconds. I think we just hit the 10 seconds mark, and now we need to just insert it back in, and let's see if this fixed the problem. I don't see the light anymore, but let's see if this works. Voila. Look at that. That's all we needed to do. Now, it did not ask us for the radio code on this one, but sometimes, or different models, this vehicle is an '09. But yeah, we should be good to go. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one.